Hello, so we are going to be making new dish, of course made of our favorite potatoes. I'm gonna be making two dish today, tonight, basically because it's a dinner. So, ito yung mga ingredients. I have here 1 kilogram of potatoes, medium, mozzarella cheese, milk, any type of milk will do. Actually, any type of cheese as well. Pero since we're going to be making an aligot potatoes, mozzarella is a must. Butter, salt and pepper, and ham. I have spiced ham available in the fridge, so that's what I am going to be using. Also, so our dish for today is potato sandwich and alligator potatoes. So we will be using some oil as well later on for the frying, breadcrumbs and flour. Okay, so let's start first with the sandwich. Okay, so first step is we have to boil the potatoes first. So I cut it into small pieces and let it boil for 8 to 12 minutes. It depends how many potatoes you have. For mine, I'm gonna boil it for 12 minutes. Mas mabilis siyang i-mashed. So I'll do it that way. Just have to cover it. Cover the lid. Another ingredient na hindi ko nabanggit kanina would be 1 cup of flour and 1 large egg, which we will be using sa ating potato sandwich. Okay, so tignan na natin if the potatoes are soft na. So we use fork and yep, it's all done. So, next step will, after draining the potatoes, habang mainit pa siya, we need to mash it already. It's easier to mash if it's still hot. So, we do it eventually. Okay, so if this is the consistency that we have already, it should be done. And I'm gonna be separating this into half since I'm gonna be making two dishes. It's the potato sandwich and then the alligator potato later on. Alright, so the next step is us combining butter, flour, our salt and pepper, and then our one large egg. Okay, have to mix it. Alright, so up until you get this kind of consistency. There. Alright, so next step would be frying our ham. Actually, we're not gonna fry it. It's just, let's just cook our ham. Just need to put for a bit of oil. Make sure the oil is very minimal because since it's ham, it's gonna produce its own. Okay, so we are going to be, I cooked two hams. Just gonna be slicing this into tiny bits. This is the easiest way to do it, by the way. I need to put some oil in my palm so that the dough won't stick. So I'll be getting a portion of it. And I'm gonna form it into square. Okay, so we're gonna be putting some portion and form it into a square. By the way, I greased up this plate here that I have. If you have a flatter plate, then you can definitely use that. So I'm using this to flatten this up. Okay, this should be good already. I'm gonna be putting hams in it, ample amount, because we all love hams. So there. Then second thing, of course, is our mozzarella cheese. So you can be as generous as you can as well. Who doesn't love cheese? Okay. So I'm shaping another square here, and I'm gonna use this to cover this up. Okay, so I'm putting this. Alright, so you have to be careful in this process because it's a mashed potato and we have some liquid ingredients like eggs, so it kind of be looking so mushy. You just have to be careful. So you can use spoon already to fill in those spots, and then you can use your hands to put back in its square shape. Okay, then give it a good tap. We are achieving a perfect sandwich size here. Good slide. Okay, then our breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna cover it with any breadcrumbs will do. For here, I'm using the regular breadcrumbs that I'm buying in the market. So you can always put it a good tap. Since this is very mushy, it can lose its shape for constant movement. So give it a good tap. And from here, you can put this in the fridge already. Chill this for around 30 minutes so that it can be a bit tightened. And then I'm going to be just doing the same process with the other pair. Alright, so the sandwich is hard enough to fry now. So let's go ahead and fry it. It's in hot oil. Be careful. Until golden brown. So let's fry it that way in a very medium heat until golden brown. Right, now it's time to flip it. So the bottom part is already cooked. So it's now time to flip. Yun lang na part ah. Alright, for the sauce, it's just a pair of mayo and ketchup. It's completely cooked. We just have to drain it. Is dampened in a paper towel so that we can remove the excess oil. I'm going to be doing the same